Amazon Flex blocks are assigned through a real-time system that refreshes offers constantly, and the fastest drivers don't rely on luck. They rely on timing, filters, and refresh behavior inside the app. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how blocks appear, when they drop, and what actually increases your chances of grabbing one before they disappear. Start inside the Amazon Flex app.au. Blocks appear in the Offers section, and they can vanish in seconds because multiple drivers see the same batch at the same time. The system doesn't reserve blocks for you unless you tap them first. The most important habit is refresh timing. The app updates offers in short bursts, so staying on the offers screen increases your chance of seeing new blocks the moment they appear. If you sit on other screens like earnings or settings, you'll usually miss drops. Another factor is location. Amazon assigns blocks based on delivery stations near your registered area. If you're far from a high-demand station, you'll see fewer offers compared to drivers closer to active warehouses. Notifications also matter, but they are not instant. Some drivers only see blocks through push alerts, but by the time the notification arrives, the block is often already taken. That's why active screen monitoring usually works better than waiting for alerts. If you're not seeing blocks at all, it usually means one of three things. Either demand is low in your area, too many drivers are active at the same time, or your availability settings are too restricted. Expanding your availability window inside the app can sometimes increase the number of offers you receive. Another key point is speed of action. Once a block appears, tapping it immediately matters more than checking details. The system prioritizes whoever confirms first, not who views it first. If you repeatedly miss blocks, it's not a glitch in most cases. It's usually timing combined with competition in your area. More active stations during peak delivery hours naturally create faster turnover. The key things to remember are simple. Blocks show up in real time on the offers screen. Speed and constant refresh matter more than notifications. And location plus demand directly affect how many blocks you see. Next time you open Amazon Flex, stay on the offers page for a few minutes during peak hours and focus on reacting fast instead of waiting for alerts. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of delivery apps and gig work systems.